Today we're going to be trading Solana meme coins, and not just any meme coins. We're going to be buying only the new pairs that come in. So what I tend to do is I successfully scalp. I don't hold. I buy sell for profits very quickly. So this is if I ever run out of money, I try this method. So for right now, I've looked at a few. Nothing seems to be hot out there at the moment. And what I've done for demonstration purposes, I've deposited zero point 0.3 Solana, which is about $40. Now we do have a fee to pay with this bot, so 1%, possibly some price impact. So really and truly, each trade I want to be taking out at least 20% profit. And I tend to do this with one Solana, and then I do 10 buys in different coins, usually one runs. Yeah. So I'll show you the method very quickly, what you should be doing. Otherwise, you're going to lose money. So I look at what is the meta right now. This is the first thing you need to do. What is hot right now? So right now on Solana and Ethereum, they're the only two meme coin chains. It's dogs and cats. So I want to look for something with dogs and cats, and that's potential to run better than anything else. As you can see, Nero, Wooly is a dog, I guess. Dogs of Elon. This is the meta right now. So anything with a dog is tends to run. People dream, but we're going to get in and out. We're not going to be holding. We're not diamond handing. We're literally buying a dip, taking profit. So go to new pairs. We're only going to be using Dex Screener, and I tend to take out all the other dexes. Sometimes Meteorite is all right, or whatever it's called. So we go to newest pairs, and what we've got is Kumo, Crypto Burger, and Quack. And we've got this Mr. Pen I was watching. I'm a bit puzzled around it. This one will take off. This one seems to be doing okay. So it's good to watch ones even if you're not buying. So this one, Kumo. Was it a pump fund? It looks like it. So I might chuck in. Or should I? It looks like it's rugging. Is that a volume bot? It looks like it. Maybe not. So at 67k market cap, is it likely to run up to 100? Possibly, but it'll be hard to get in and out. I'll leave that and watch. This one, Crypto Burger. Potentially, we've got the locked LP. Always look for that if you're unsure. And you can always check holders and stuff like that. So there is a liquidity pool. And it's very small wallets actually. So this one looks pretty good. I'll leave that open. I'll watch it. This one, Quake, is this just a normal launch? I guess it says pump fund, but it came in at 10k market cap. So a lot of people fake the ends of contracts. So I would avoid those. And it's already looks like it's rugged anyway. So I would avoid that one. This Mr. Pensol, did this come on as a pump fund? No, this looks like another rug as well. So I would avoid that. And this burger, no. So this one looks like the only one I would potentially buy. So I've opened 5 Andrew Tetcoin. Oh, very high market cap. So that's not. I'm not going to look at that one. So we'll wait for any others to come on. It could be ideal to look at anything with high transactions amounts as well if you want to buy later down the list. So this one, Giant Panda Supremacy. No, this one, Fueg, rugged. Sure meme. Let's buy a few anyway. We're just sitting here. This one looks like it's hard rugging, but there's still. See, that buy is very sus. $6,000. Was that a bot? Yeah, that's very strange. That might be like the dev wallet or something selling. That looks like it's rugged completely. So it was a fake pump fund, and they've minted. So avoid those. Always, I tend to not trade if the liquidity is like this. This burger one, they're using some sort of volume bot, which I don't really like as well. This one's obviously a pure scam, or they're using a volume bot with it. So there's a lot of rugs on there. There's nothing really that I've said I'm going to buy, actually. So when you're trading, we're hunting on Solana at the moment. Now, what I'm looking at is the only thing is you can't exclude these wallets. Let's ape in a bit into here. I'm not optimistic. So Burger King. Okay, so Donald Trump um, brought a burger with Solana. So I'm going to ape this one. Let's put in 0.25. So not a great amount, $30. And let's see if we can flip that into anything now. So Trojan's very good at trading, so it will show me my entry. So my buy was executed at 58 market cap. So really and truly, we want to see it sort of pump up, if anything. So I'm betting on this doing well, or at least breaking out. If it drops anywhere below here, I'm going to sell because I'm not looking to let it just run to the floor and see from there. Usually I would join the Telegram and hunt from there. So we leave that one open because we're in a position and we'll see how it goes. Remember, we're looking for a quick flip and we'll have a look. Book of comebacks. Anything special down here? Not particularly. So nothing new's come out. This is a dead time. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. This one doesn't look like it's moving actually. So it may be one way you can. The way you lose money on Solana is holding things that obviously don't move. As you can see, we're stuck on. We're at a loss, but it's $1, $2. I'd rather that than the whole 9 yards of the whole bag falls out. So this one was very sus. It's just got a Twitter. There's no Telegram, anything like that. I tend to close that. So we'll wait for anything new to come up and see from there. So this one's just, blattered. So I'll probably sell that now at a loss, no problem. And what we'll do is we'll watch it still. If it drops to like 20k, we'll pick it up again. So don't ever get disheartened. If it still looks like it's got volume, like these are just sells, like people just selling. So we lost 12%, which I don't know of $30 isn't too much. Let's try and look at the trending part then. So the last 5 minutes, and this one's even better in terms of what we'll sort of look at. Wrapped Nero, dog, but I think I'll wrap up the video now, but I hope you sort of seen things, how I sort of do my due diligence. No successful trades, but we'll see how it goes from there. All the best and take